Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have come with a video for unboxing pulse oximeter. So we begin with the first unboxing. We ordered this from Amazon, and those who don't know, pulse oximeter is a test used to measure the oxygen level of the blood. It is an easy and painless measure of how well oxygen is being sent to all parts of your body, furthest from your heart, such as the arms and legs. As we just unboxed, this is a very small device and written pulse oximeter. As we open, we first come to know the device, and then we have some cables, which is a charging. This is a cable of hanging it on the neck, means like old peoples do, and we get two batteries with it. And this is one qualified certificate, QC pass. And next we see the fingertip oximeter version 2.0 and some manuals with it. And now we set up with it and show you back soon. Now welcome back. We have all set up and now we are going to do its testing. So first we have to switch it on, and then put your finger, and then we put the finger full inside, and then we close this. And when it will be finished, yes, now it's finished. Remove your finger and you can see finger out, and reading was showing. Put your finger once again. Wait, let it complete it. See, it is showing 99 and 120, means 199 is the oxygen level and 125 is the pulse rate. So this is the pulse oximeter. It is very useful in this COVID-19 situation also, and you can purchase it from Amazon, link in the description. Thank you for watching.